What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and click on this power icon, and from here click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the Wi-Fi turning off issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then turn off power saving mode. So if you have enabled the power saving mode, then turn it back off and turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after that the Wi-Fi turning off issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is reset network settings of your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this restart option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the mobile network settings, the Wi-Fi will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.